Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well out there. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my latest purchase. This is the Suunto Core Alpha Stealth Watch. And as with all my videos, I bought this item with my own money. I like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, etc. Hopefully you're going to be able to see that okay. Let's take a look at it. Now this is just going to be an unboxing video. Once I get the item out of the box, figure out how to use it, maybe I'll do some follow-up videos to show you just some of the features of the watch and how it works. So this is your ABC watch, altimeter, barometer, and compass. It also does thermometer settings. It also does sunrise and sunset times. It is not rechargeable, and it is not a smartwatch. So it doesn't connect to your phone or do any of that kind of stuff. It's more comparable to your old school Casio Pro Treks watches like that. It has a user changeable battery. If you want to change out the battery, you can simply take off the back, change out the battery. Battery life should be about a year based on the information on the website. Mineral crystal. Let's look at everything else we get in here. Basically an inspection card, an instruction manual. Looks like a couple different instruction manuals in here actually. Let's see if I can. Customer support. A few different customer support ones. I was thinking maybe these are in different languages, but they appear to be just extra copies. Anyway, that's a quick unboxing. Like I say, once I get it up and running, I'll do some follow-up videos, show you how it works.